I must talk to you about how the firm, how Nataraj and Venkat, all this while it was just Venkat as an architect, and that's how the jobs went. For the Tube Investments Group, for whom I'd already started doing this work in Archbishop Matthias Avenue, they were also using other architects. And one of those architects was a gentleman called B.S. Nataraj. B.S. Nataraj is actually 5 years my senior. So the year I joined, he'd already finished architecture. But I always knew, I've heard of him because of his creativity, and I've heard of him also for the fact that he comes from a well-known family. His father used to be a very respected ENT surgeon. And anybody in Chennai would go only to Nataraj's father for any ENT problem. But that apart, family, friends and things like that. So he was a known person. So I was told by then by Mr. Arunachalam saying that at least for our jobs, why don't you and Nataraj join up together and work together on our jobs? We'll feel happier about it. Maybe he had the foresight of saying that, this is a way of joining in, because for one, he was exceedingly creative and I was extremely hardworking. To use that combination.
Yes.
So we started, Nataraj and I met for the first time over a coffee in Drive-In Woodlands.
Not a bad location to start a business.
Yeah. I wish Woodlands was still around. Drive-In Woodlands is still around. But I started there. We met there and then said we'll give it a shot. And we started working.
And that was the start of NVA?
We're talking about 1984. Right? And that's how Nataraj and Venkat actually was born. We actually slowly then, he felt comfortable with me, and he was another great person to learn from. See, an architect also needs to be good in proportions, needs to be very good in mathematics, needs to know his fundamental mathematics exceedingly well. And you couldn't find a better person in these aspects than Nataraj. I learned what is it to work in modules from him. I learned what the correct, even though I'd worked with Bava, it was Nataraj who taught me the correct roof proportions, which is far sharper than what Bava used to use. Yeah, so I'm saying that the process of learning never stopped. So I became very adapted to his style of working, which is purely on grids. People will say you're very rigid. You're not free-flowing, but you're using an octagon and just keep repeating the same thing all over again. You're taking squares and working around with squares. No, but there was a proper belief in the way he used to work on these things. And it was far easier using a module. And which is again something that I learned. Using modules is something that I learned from him. The roof proportion is something I learned from him. He and I used to sit across the table and work out estimates of buildings. You catch one architect trying doing it today, they won't be able to.
Okay.
It is quick work, it is pure mathematics, it is very easy to do. But that's all self-taught. So anyway, Nataraj, now going back to the story, we started handling the Murugappa Group's work. Then by which time he picked up a job for the Lawrence School, Lovedale, and then he said, why don't you also come and work along with me? So I started working with him on that project. Then some job landed in my lap, and I said, why don't we work together on this? And that's how we started this. Yeah. But seeing some of his work and seeing some of my work, a lot of people became more aware of saying, we should approach these guys to design our residential buildings. So most of the residential development that came up in Chennai in the late 80s and early 90s were all designed by us. That is because they saw the work that we've done in our residential houses, that they felt that these guys have a hope that we can bank on in terms of coming up with something different. So Nataraj and Venkat actually started growing quite fast. We were just two of us, then it became four, then it became six. And
Did you ever think it was growing too fast?
you didn't have a choice.
Okay.
You didn't have a choice, Actually, the Nataraj actually always felt that we were growing too fast. But I felt that, listen, you can't say no. If you say no now, you don't know when the next job is going to come. You must take it in your stride and put in that extra effort to make sure you're managing everything. It was tough. It was a tough call, but we never let off, or we didn't let go of our steam and continue to work at a tremendous pace, and still churned out quite a lot of interesting work over those years.
But that would also mean that you didn't have Jeffrey Bawa working hours.
No. No. It was very interesting, Finally, Nataraj, the greatest compliment I've ever had is he calling me a warrior.
That's a nice thing to be called.
I said, why? He said, you're the only warrior I'm wary of when it comes to design. Because we used to compete with each other in design. And he says, he used to use a particular Japanese word, I'm getting old and I'm forgetting that. And he used to say very clearly that, the master teaches the pupil and the pupil beats the master. Right? So we always had this very healthy competition amongst us. Yeah. And the winner who wins the design would buy the other a bottle of whiskey. And that was our simple bet for many, many years. But it was great working with him. And that's how NVA started. And of course, NVA today is a legacy, but those were tough days for us to start with.
How long was he part of the firm?
Part of it he worked till about 1995, very actively. In 1995, we started picking up more of the interiors. You see, we started doing a lot of commercial buildings, and people who moved into these commercial buildings wanted us to do the interiors. He felt that was not our cup of tea. Plus, he'd suffered his third heart attack. So he wanted to basically cool off. And from about 95 till he died in 2000, he was doing more of teaching,
Yes.
He was doing small little jobs. He was doing a school and things like that. He was doing things that he didn't need to spend too much time on. And something that gave him greater happiness than working full time at this belt. So we till 2000 we were together. 2000 he passed away. So that's what it is.